Warbird 3D ship.
Thanks, Phil.
Yeah. Hurricane, EQ. What size engine's that guy, Ray?
91.
91. Why are you breathing so heavy? That's nice. It's a good flying bird, right? You gotta.
Oh shit.
What?
Dead.
Oh no. Dead stick.
Let's put your nose down. Put your nose down. Yeah.
Oh, dead stick.
It just died.
Uh-oh. Paul's over there. To the rescue. Oh. See, that's the thing about this field. If we had a flat field, you know, straight out, you could have probably saved that. Could have probably saved that. What do you think, Mark?
No.
Oh, the wings off, Ray. The wings off.
Not bad.
Hey, don't touch nothing there, Cornholio. Leave it alone, Cornholio.
We've had an awful lot of airplanes that you've been able to pancake them in, and there's no damage at all on them.
Yeah. Oh, here?
Yes.
Out here?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Because you land, yeah, in a flare, right?
Yeah. As soon as you. But
Because, right.
he'd pull the elevator back, and so he stalled it. And he was.
But you couldn't see it. You couldn't see it, you know? Once it falls below that horizon.
You can't see it. It's kind of a judgment call.
Alright.
That's not bad. Did it split the fuselage?
What? No. Oh, that's fine.
So that's just your back bracket.
Yep.
Dead stick on the field.
That's fixable.
Rotated the wheels.
I can get my truck.
Hey, Cornholio, thank you for your assistance.
Cornholio, that's the new name? Huh?
It worked for today.
The name has been changed to protect the guilty. I mean innocent.
Yeah.
Hey, you got new keys now for the gate?
No,
Oh.
Debbie has.
Alright, stay tuned, guys.
Is failure
I
communicate?
took that off.
Engine did not communicate.
What happened, Ray? Engine died.
Engine died. Engine died. Engine said, nope, bent my gear.
Little damage. Minor damage here. All repairable.
No, I gotta,
Just another,
here, do me a favor. I gotta fix my retracts here.
what?
Gotta lower, no, I can't do that. Can't lower my retracts.
Hey, here we go!
Again.
Redemption! Redemption is on the runway! Ray, you ready?
Let's try this.
You got this.
I got this.
You got that
Take
motor
it off.
dialed in?
No. But take it off.
Oh. And it's up. Do-do-do. Alright, there goes James over there. How's it feel, Ray?
Not good.
Flyable?
What?
Flyable?
Oh yeah, it's pliable.
Flyable? Obviously. Pliable? Yeah. Something's weird. Something's weird. What's weird? Can't even see it. It's hard to see today. The sky.
trim it out. Does that look good?
Yeah. It's a chugger.
Yeah, it's docile in the turn.
Chugging along. Yeah. Too close. My zoom was too close.
Coming in low. Alright, my next pass I'm gonna try to land it.
Right now?
No. What?
That was only 2 passes. 3. Maybe 4. Alright, you gonna put the gear down?
Yeah.
What about those flaps? You using flap?
No.
No flap.
My gear down?
I don't know.
Ah, shit!
Ah, stuck gear. Cycle them. Swing it around. Put some G on it.
No!
Blow them down. You got emergency blowdown bottles, right?
No! Oh, come on!
Ray's got 1 gear down.
And I gotta land!
Pressure's on. 1-wheeled landing. Or put the gear up and belly land it.
Yeah.
In the dirt or whatever. Just don't hit the pipe.
Better up belly landing than a runway?
Any commentary? No, that'll tear up the runway. It might.
Yeah.
I would walk over there and just belly land it. The gear up. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
I don't know what happened.
Oh.
It just started wigging out.
Well, that's because you were tip stalling.
No, I was full throttle.
Oh, that's the end of it. Hey, on the runway. Dude, I didn't know you were landing. On the runway. Anybody hear that? I got that on video. Ah, Ray, that's the end of that one. That's the end of that one. I don't know if I got that on video. It was freaking out in the air. Oh. Death to another RC plane. It looked like it tip stalled. He overcorrected, tip stalled, and freaked out. Oh, it's repairable, Ray. Little glue. Little tape. That's over. Hawker is no more. 1 minute it is, next minute it isn't.
Holy crap.
There goes a wing. There goes a gear. There goes, I don't know what that is. Oh, a wheel well. Other half a wing. Parts everywhere. Carnage, debris. Oh. Hey, you got a bag? All right, good. He's bringing the bag. Cornholio, bring the bag, please.
Cut the bug. Did you say have a moment of silence?
Yes.
Wow.
Moment of silence.
I heard the impact, but dang.
Oh, do we have the impact?
Right there, look at that. Dude.
Oh.
Wow.
I didn't even see that hole. Hold on.
Did that just dive? I can tell.
Oh.
Hey, watch out, man! You're gonna damage my plane!
Oh, sorry, Ray.
Ouch.
You gonna rebuild it? Man, that's the hole. You see that hole? Oh.
There's my gear that didn't come down. That was the whole meaning of this.
Yeah, but why did you go into the ground though? Do you know?
Yeah, elevator. I hit the elevator dual rate, and it had too much elevator, and like he said, it loaded the wing,
Overloaded the wing.
overloaded the wing, and caused it to roll over on its belly. Oh.
Dual rate on the elevator switch, huh?
You want all the wood stuff, right?
I'm just throwing it away.
Oh, okay.
Hey, end of story for this one, Paul. Hey, give us a cut sign.